Good morning, fam. Welcome to Satellite Lessons with Alan Germany. So this is our CANAL Plus. I'll be showing you on how to do this manual setup, which is our first time installation. So let's get started. This is a remote, the CANAL Plus remote. So the first step, we have to locate our language. Now, let's say bienvenue/welcome. So we have to input our language here. If you are French speaking, you take French, Français. If you are English speaking, you take Anglais, English. So the first step, we need to take our language. So I'm an English person. So English, we take validate. Okay, which is validate. Validated it. The next step, we need to validate this also. Now start your installation. We need to click on OK to confirm it, or this positioning. We already position our D, so click on OK. Now this is it. It's already doing the manual scan. So what we need to do is to wait until it reaches 100%, and that is all. So now we need to select our country. Since as well in West Africa, I'm a Cameroonian, so we have Cote d'Ivoire, Senegal, Cameroon, Gabon, Burkina Faso, Mali, Congo, DR Congo, Benin, and so on, Niger. Yeah, so my country is, we also have Ghana. All those countries, CANAL Plus is in those countries. We also get Nigeria. Now, if you are in Cameroon, don't come and select Nigeria to scan. Today I scan is wrong. If you are in Nigeria, don't select Cameroon. So I'm in Cameroon, in Boya. I'm taking Cameroon, and the scan now scans automatically. So that is it. That is the first frequency. We get TV stations here, radio stations. So 99%, 100%. Now what is it? What is the TV displaying? The CANAL Plus decoder. Installation successful. Successful installation. You can now enjoy favorite programs. CANAL Plus, Chinese fan /491. So all the Chinese are there. That is showing that we have already positioned this very well. So I'm going to confirm, and it goes to the next step, checking for software updates. Now this software updates is to check if the decoder is updated. So just wait a minute, and it's going to, that is it. It has already checked it. So now the TV now is going to boot on and off. That is it. Bienvenue means welcome. CANAL Plus. So it has booted. That is the on and off process. So you just need to wait for about 5 minutes or about 3 minutes. Okay, the booting stage is over. Now the decoder is loading. So you just need to wait. It will take about 5 minutes time. Yeah. So you just need to wait for about 5 minutes. Make sure you don't power off the decoder in this process. So the process is almost done. Displacing blah blah blah. After that, it's going to come. So the first channel that is going to display there is CANAL Plus. Bienvenue. It has booted. So just wait a minute. The update successful. Latest version. This is the latest version 18 and the new version 22. So okay, continue. So that is it. CANAL Plus, the first channel that I've now this is Novelas E. Okay, let's try to check. Let's check their channels that are there available. So this is the first time installation. That is where our Novelas is showing. So let's just see the channels that are there, and we'll try to see what to do. So I'm going to select from my button. I'm going to take the channel list. So click on your list button. You see we have Novelas Plus HD. We get R Plus, Mm. It's showing like this because it's the first time installation. So this is action. Now let's check Africa Magic Epics. So let's check Africa Magic. Let's see. Navigate and check with Africa. This is Boomerang. At first, we had just one English channel, which was English Club. So the Canal Plus people now that wise, so that added English packages and French packages so that English people can watch. So let's see Africa Magic. Where can I get it? So from here we have English packages. This is zero. We have Africa Magic Epic powered by DSTV. So Canal Plus is doing partnership with Africa Magic Epic. So that is it. We also get want us to check the channels one by one. We have Showcase, Africa Magic Showcase. In fact, all these channels here are from VSTV. So now there's no English people don't need to be complaining that they don't have channels in. Don't forget to like this video, you share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.